Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change logo on your Shopify website. So first, you may want to head over to admin.shopify.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Online Store. Then beside your current theme, click on Customize. This will take you to the editor page. And once again, in the left panel, click on theme settings, then click on logo. And next is click on change beside logo. And you have an option to select from your computer's library, use free images, or connect dynamic source. And in my case, I'm just going to pick from my library. If you've already uploaded existing logos, you can just change on them by clicking on your preferred logo. But if you want another logo, just click on Add Files, then click on Preferred Logo. Click on Open and just wait for it to finish uploading. Then, of course, select it. Then just proceed by clicking on Done. And as you can see, our logo is now changed. We're just going to need to save the changes. Just click on the Save button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!